In this video, we're going to create a digital portfolio in Schoology. What you need to do is on your Schoology account, you're going to need to go to your profile. Once you're in your profile, you will see on the left-hand side here a thing that says Portfolios. You will click on that. You will create a new portfolio. This would be Photography 1. And then you'll start adding your portfolio items. When you add a page, it will allow you to add multiple items to that page, such as contact sheets, your final image, maybe some written reflection, possibly sketches, if I have you do sketches, and that is everything that you'll put in this page. The cover image should be your project. Of course, a title, which could be the title of the unit, if that's what you decide, but you can also give it your own very creative title if you'd like. And then the description is your artist statement. So you will add in items through this button here, the arrow with the square, and you will add your image and media. In this page, I've added the final work, I've added the cover image, a title, and my contact sheet. So the only thing left I have to do is come up with my artist statement. So if you wrote a really long artist statement, when you turn in the project, you're going to have to figure out how to summarize that, because you only have 255 characters to do so. What's nice is your artist statement, or your description, will show up here when you hover over the image. So at the end of the semester, this will be filled with a lot of your great pieces. So here I'm describing the work, or I'm explaining the work, I have my artist statement. The last and final step that you need to do is you need to publish this. So here it's unpublished, and then you just click this and publish the portfolio. And now when I go to your profile, I can find it, I can see your work, I can see how you have presented your art.